There you go. So a gap is basically, I use a gap. This is how I use a gap. I use a gap to determine big money or big flow in the market. So we have this candle, and then we have another candle open up and give you this range, and then we have another candle give you something like this. So yeah, they call it imbalance, right? That's what people call it, but I keep referring to it as a gap. The name that I was being trained with is fair value gap, but I don't want to use fair value gap. I just call it a gap, or what people online call it imbalance. So I use imbalance to determine strong money in the market, big money in the market. So between, this is a down, sorry, this is an up candle right down. So this is an up candle, and we have this. So this candle's low and that candle's high. In between that is a gap. There was someone around the world that had lots of money to push price through this high, right? They're able to push price through, and then the retracement was just capped there. So this candle between this level and that level, that's an imbalance. There is an inefficiency. So maybe someone wanted to buy or sell in there and they were not able to do that because of the strength price push up above this high. So when price retraces down to it, okay, if whoever bought here wants, they can buy more, and if someone was selling, they can sell here. So it causes this level to be rebalanced, and then once it's rebalanced, then price can go back up again. So this is just like a small gap in price. Normal gaps will have something like this, where price will open and it will gap up. So this would be a gap, a normal gap, right, in price, where there's no candle. But here there is wick here, there is wick here, and there is a candle in here. A normal gap would be this without a candle, and this one still acts the same way as what I've just drawn. It's just that this is more powerful. When we have this, it's more powerful. It's indicating that price was not able to trade here at all. Therefore, price will definitely come back to this high and maybe even to that, and then go back up again. So hopefully that is clear.